To his patients, Dr. Warren Lent is not only one of America's top surgeons, he's known as one of America's most caring surgeons.
He's got to be the most sincere doctor I've met.
He listened and he cares. He has a compassion for you, as a patient, as a person.
Dr. Lent is a double board certified Yale and UCLA educated plastic surgeon who performs a wide variety of surgical procedures from head to toe.
Facial plastic surgery, breast plastic surgery, body contouring, facial reconstruction, treatment of facial aging, the whole works.
He also has a special expertise in the use of lasers in cosmetic surgery for eyelids and facial aging. In fact, he's performed more than 3,000 laser eyelid surgeries.
It's, in my opinion, the safest way to do eyelid surgery because there's less bleeding involved, there's less swelling, there's less bruising, so your return to work and your daily life is much quicker.
James Bird had upper and lower eyelid surgery performed by Dr. Lent. Here's how he looked before the surgery.
I always received comments that I always looked kind of sleepy and tired, but when I really wasn't.
Afterwards, James knew he made the right decision by choosing Dr. Lent to perform this delicate procedure.
So after the surgery, it was a remarkable difference. People said, "What did you do?" I just can't put my finger on it.
Two other patients, Terry Podorsky and Roberta De La Fuente, both had lost a significant amount of weight but had excess skin after the weight loss. They both wanted Dr. Lent to do a little nip here and a little tuck there and had a breast lift and breast augmentation. Now, both say they are changed women.
It was amazing 3 weeks after the surgery how all my feeling came back. The stitches dissolved. He had to take a few stitches out, but I can't even tell you how wonderful it was.
Everybody was shocked. My husband, my family, my friends, they were just like, "You look amazing, it's gone." One day it's there and the next it's gone.
Terry and Roberta say they now have a renewed sense of self-confidence. That is something that is priceless for anyone looking to not only look better, but feel better about themselves.
And when you're self-confident, everything you do is better. Your love life is better, your social life is better, your business life is better, because you feel good about who you are, and that's where I step in and help them.
Dr. Lent's office is located right inside the Beverly Hills Medical Plaza, not far from Cedars-Sinai Medical Center. Now, when you walk inside, you'll soon get a good feel for what makes him tick, not only as a doctor, but as a person. His waiting room looks and feels more like a living room. Every patient gets a warm and friendly greeting at the front desk. And everywhere you look, you can see a little piece of Dr. Lent's personal and professional past, including pictures of what he calls his shining moment as a child, the day he got to be a ball boy for the Lakers in the early 70s. His passion for fly fishing, snow skiing, scuba diving, and taking breathtaking pictures of sharks underwater are all things that make up this person behind the medical jacket. Believe it or not, this plastic surgeon is also an amateur sculptor. This is a sample of his work. It all makes sense if you think about it. Dr. Lent tries to bring that same sense of calm and artistic approach that it takes to sculpt and his love of nature to every patient.
I want my results to be very natural appearing. I don't want them to be artificial appearing. And that same love of nature I think I bring to the patient when I'm working on them.
The thank you notes on display in the hallways of his office are testimonials to his work. So are these pictures of some of his many volunteer missions around the world where he has performed surgeries for those who need it the most through Operation Smile.
Being able to help children who don't have access to excellent medical care, who don't have access to excellent plastic surgical and reconstructive care, was what I wanted to give to them. But in the end, the satisfaction, the personal satisfaction that I had from doing that far outweighed, I think, anything that I gave to them.
At the end of the day, Dr. Lent is not only doing what he loves, he's doing what he's always wanted to do, and that is make a positive impact on people's lives.
No better feeling in the world than when a patient says, "You've changed my life for the better." And that's really what makes me do this.